We just arrived here on time. Actually, we're still early, about 10 minutes.
There's a queue.
There's a queue already waiting for the gates to open. But I'm so glad that we got here on time because at least we have a bit of time to explore before our train goes back to Tokyo. This should be exciting because it's a living museum and we get to dress up based on the social class that you choose, and they treat you as such as well when you get there. So let's see, that should be exciting. Come and join us.
Gates are opening. Welcome to Edo Wonderland.
It's a good thing that we came in just before the gates open, because apparently when they open the gates they have this ceremony as well to welcome everyone. So they've been, I don't know, there's drum beats, and then there's a leader shouting, welcoming everyone, and the rest of them were in line welcoming, thanking everyone for coming. It's just a nice one, and Ayla said that she likes
Like the music.
So this is another exciting part of this Edo Wonderland. You can actually rent costumes in this place and play the part because it's a live museum. So if you wear a lord, they're gonna treat you as such. Isn't that cool? So we rented, Daddy and me are samurais, and Renzo and Ayla are ninjas.
It's the Ninja Kids. Yay!
You look so cool, Renzo.
You might fall off. We're going to find ninja school, okay? Hello, mommy.
Hi. Look at me.
My ninja sword is actually like that.
Like
Oh, I don't know. I don't think it.
that. Ayla's ninja sword.
Wow! Come on, let's go.
I have two ninja swords.
Whoa! Do you like being ninja?
So, we're now dressed in our costumes, which is supposed to be how they dress up in the Edo period. And she even gave me my name and character here. So everyone who sees me in this living museum will know who I am. And let's see how they treat us.
Swordsman. Okay, ninjas. Let's go.
Go ninjas.
Wow.
4人でこれだったら20枚以上は確実に見つかると思いますので
お
頑張ってくださいね。それでは上級武士目指して頑張るぞ。
Gambar sir. Whoa.
はい。
Go, follow teman. Follow. Oh, there's nice food there. Oh. Oh.
ほら、お主のだろ。これ以上来るなら容赦はせぬ。
兄貴助けてくれ Up, Renzo. Renzo. Renzo, over there. There it is. There it is. Hey.
あと他のお店探そう。ネクストネクスト。
So, Renzo's just eating there. He just helped one of the, I think, lords or guards going around looking for different sites and going after a baddie. Forward.
Ready? Go!
Go.
One hand!
Yay!
Ninja! One hand! It's okay. No, finish. Okay?
Finish.
Ready? Catch.
Catch.
Okay. One. Nice. Okay.
Go, go. Put it inside.
Okay.
Hey! Bow.
Thank you.
Hey, what's going on?
Yay! Yay! One last. In the middle. In the middle. Go, last one. In the middle. Oh, it's alright. Okay, thank you. Give it to Ayla. Ayla. Thank you. Thank you. Yay, we did it.
What is this?
Souvenir.
What is it?
So many masks. Whoa. So that's pretty much it for our day. We only have a half a day here because we need to head back to Tokyo this afternoon. So we do need to get dressed again. But I hope that you enjoyed watching our vlog, and if you like this video, please do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join in our channel. We'll see you in the next one.
Such a cool ninja, Ayla. You're such a cool ninja.